Pellet grills are the easiest way to get real wood-fired flavor, but only if you pick the right one. Covering the 7 best pellet grills in 2026. From a portable tabletop to a 970 square inch Wi-Fi smart smoker built for serious cooks. All links are in the description. Stick around till the end. The #1 pick does something no other grill here can do. Starting at number 7, the Pit Boss PB150 PPG Tabletop. The best portable pellet grill for tailgating, camping, and small patios. Full-size pellet grills don't fit on apartment balconies, tailgate beds, or campsite picnic tables. The PB150 PPG fixes that. First, a direct flame broiler that hits 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. Proper sear level heat in a tabletop footprint. Next, porcelain-coated cast iron grates that hold heat and put real grill marks on burgers and chops. Finally, Loctite latches and a compact body. Toss it in the truck without losing your grease tray on the highway. Cons: small 7-pound hopper runs out fast on long cooks. No Wi-Fi or app. Basic dial controls only. Best for tailgaters, campers, and small patio grillers. Not for families cooking for crowds. At $280, the PB150 PPG is real pellet flavor anywhere you go. Need wood-fired flavor on the move? This is the pick. At number 6, the Traeger Pro 22. The best entry-level full-size pellet grill for first-time buyers. Cheap pellet grills die within a season. Rusted bodies, fried controllers, gone after one summer. Traeger doesn't. First, the Digital Pro controller holds temperature within plus or minus 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Set 225 for ribs and walk away, no babysitting. Next, 572 square inches of cooking space and an 18-pound hopper. Room for 2 pork shoulders, fuel for a full overnight cook. Finally, 6-in-1 versatility. Grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, barbecue. One appliance replaces 3. Cons: maxes out at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so steakhouse-level searing isn't its strength. No Wi-Fi or app. Porcelain grates need gentle cleaning. Best for first Traeger owners and weekend grillers. Not for cooks chasing screaming hot sear temps. At $389, the Pro 22 is the grill that built the Traeger name. New to pellet grilling? Start here. Number 5, the Z-Grill's ZPG 450A2. The best value pellet grill with smart PID temperature control. 12-hour brisket cooks ruined by 30-degree temperature swings. The 450A2 ends that frustration. First, proportional integral derivative V3 controller auto-tunes pellet feed and airflow. The temp stays where you set it, even when the wind picks up. Next, 459 square inches of cooking space, plus a foldable side shelf. Room for ribs, chicken, and your tools without crowding. Finally, rain cover, meat probe, and folding leg wheels included. Most grills here charge extra for half of that gear. Cons: 450 degrees Fahrenheit max means heavy searing isn't its game. Basic LCD, no Wi-Fi. Hopper smaller than the Traeger. Best for value hunters wanting real precision. Not for cooks who need 500 degrees Fahrenheit plus heat. At $398.65, the 450A2 delivers more grill for the money than almost anything here. Want the most grill per dollar? Done. At number 4, the Pit Boss PB440D2. The best mid-tier pellet grill with proper direct flame searing. Pellet grills are great at smoking, terrible at searing. Meat comes off gray and steamed instead of crusted. The 440D2 solves that. First, the flame broiler lever slides open for direct flame contact. Flip a switch and your indirect smoker becomes a real sear station. Next, 180 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit dial-in digital control with LED readout. Wide range, simple knob, no buried menus. Finally, the prime button injects extra pellets for fast heat recovery after every lid open. Cons: 5-pound hopper is small, so plan refills on long cooks. No Wi-Fi or app. Dual probe jacks but no probes included. Best for cooks who want one grill for low and slow plus weeknight steaks. Not for pure smoke purists. At $410.99, the 440D2 is the most flexible grill at this tier. Want one grill for everything? This is the one. Number 3. The recteq RTB380 Bullseye. The best high-heat pellet grill for steakhouse quality searing. Most pellet grills cap out around 500 degrees Fahrenheit. That's not hot enough for a real ribeye crust. You get gray edges instead of dark caramelized bark. First, the Bullseye reaches 749 degrees Fahrenheit. Pellet convenience meets steakhouse-grade direct fire. No other grill here comes close. Next, the open flame kettle design lets juices drip onto the burn pot, flashing into wood-fired smoke that seasons the meat as it cooks. Finally, a build rated for 100,000 lighting cycles, designed to outlast cheap competitors by a decade. Cons: only 380 square inches of cook space, small for big briskets. Kettle shape limits long indirect cooks. Hopper capacity is modest. Best for steak fanatics and burger purists. Not for brisket marathoners or big family cooks. At $474.99, the Bullseye is the only pellet grill here that truly sears. Want a real crust? Nothing else delivers. Quick reminder, if this is helping you decide, hit like and subscribe. Links are in the description. Now the top 2 picks. At number 2, the Traeger Woodridge. The best Wi-Fi controlled pellet grill for the modern backyard. A 12-hour brisket starts at 4 a.m. and demands constant monitoring. Standing outside in January, checking the probe every hour, that's the part nobody talks about. First, Wi-Fi temperature control through the Traeger app. Set, monitor, and adjust your grill from inside the house, the office, or anywhere your phone has signal. Next, a 180 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit range with steady, proportional integral derivative temperature management. Wide enough for low and slow brisket and crispy skin chicken. Finally, 860 square inches of cooking capacity. Room for 2 full briskets or 3 pork shoulders in one cook. Cons: requires a strong Wi-Fi signal outside. Patchy signal means cooking blind. App has a real learning curve. No super smoke mode at this tier. Best for tech-savvy cooks and busy multitaskers. Not for app-averse owners or no Wi-Fi setups. At $799, the Woodridge turns long cooks into a quiet evening indoors. Done babysitting? This is the upgrade. Now for number 1. The only grill here that adds extra wood-fired smoke at the push of a button. Here it is. The number 1 best pellet grill in 2026 is the Traeger Woodridge Pro, the most advanced model on this list, built for cooks who take barbecue seriously. You've graduated from the basics. You know your wood blends. You want competition tier flavor. First, Wi-Fi technology lets you control the grill from your couch. Set the temp, change the timer, watch the cook from a chair, not the patio. Second, Super Smoke Mode infuses extra wood-fired flavor at the push of a button, the only grill here that does this. Third, 970 square inches of cooking space, fits 7 whole chickens, 9 rib racks, or 3 full briskets at once. Cons: This is a serious investment. Larger footprint demands real patio space. App-dependent, sketchy Wi-Fi means lost control. Best for serious barbecue enthusiasts and competition home cooks. Not for tight budgets or tiny patios. At $999, the Woodridge Pro is the closest a pellet grill comes to a backyard smokehouse. Want the absolute best? This is it. And that's the 7 best pellet grills in 2026, from a portable tabletop to a competition-ready Wi-Fi smart smoker. Drop a comment below. Which one are you going with? And what are you smoking first? Links are in the description. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.